Today, we will be discussing a critical topic that affects millions of people around the world: human health and diseases. More specifically, we will be focusing on dementia. Dementia is a progressive neurological disorder that affects memory, thinking, and problem-solving abilities. It is a main cause of disability and is aging population-led. There are several types of dementia, but the two most common are Alzheimer's and vascular dementia. Alzheimer's disease (AD) is the most common form of dementia, accounting for about 60–80% of all cases. It is a progressive neurodegenerative disorder that affects the brain cells known as neurons. The main symptom is forgetfulness, but the patient may also experience changes in behavior, personality, and disorientation. The disease is not curable, but there are treatments that can slow down its progression. Vascular dementia (VD) is the second most common type of dementia. It occurs when the blood vessels in the brain become narrowed or blocked, causing a decrease in blood flow and oxygen supply to the brain. The symptoms often are similar to those of AD, but the cause is different. It can happen at any age, but is more common in people over the age of 50. Vascular dementia can be treated with medication, lifestyle changes, or surgical procedures to restore blood flow. Dementia is a silent thief of a person's independence, and earlier it is detected, the better the prognosis. Regular health checkups, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, and early intervention can significantly reduce the risk of developing dementia. In conclusion, dementia is a complex and progressive neurological disorder that affects memory, thinking, and problem-solving abilities. It is crucial to take care of our mental health and educate ourselves and our loved ones about the symptoms and preventive measures. Remember, early detection and treatment can make a significant difference in the quality of life for those affected by dementia. Let's create awareness and support for the prevention and management of dementia. Kindly subscribe to our channel for more education on human health and diseases.